Hi everybody, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I'm going to make it really chill and relaxed, just put it to music. But this is my weekly cleaning routine. I take half of the house every week and typically over the weekend. This weekend we kind of had some parties going on, so it was a little bit extra dirty. But typically I just take half of the house and the upstairs of the house and I just deep clean. So next week I'll be taking the back end of the house, but this week what I'm doing is I'm just taking care of the kitchen, the powder room, the breakfast room, the bar area, and the family room. And I'm just going to take you along, put some music to it, and just, it's all about you today. It's all about giving you motivation and getting yourself ready for the new week. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you'll take 2 seconds to subscribe and like this video and share it out if you are so inclined. And let's get started. Let's get in it. my mop, I'm using the E-cloth mop and the E-cloth cotton strips to do the mopping. I love these. They just take water and you don't have to use any cleaner or anything. And there's something within the structure of the mop head that keeps it's kills the bacteria and all of that. So it's wonderful and it just takes water. But as a special little tip, what I use is I just put on a little bit of essential oil for that smell, that lemony or citrus smell throughout the house. So that's just a little tip if you're using these kind of mops. Well, I'm almost done, and I just wanted to close this out and say thank you so much for taking the time, and I hope I motivated you to get in and get the house clean and ready to go for the week. Sometimes we just need that extra motivation, and I hope I was there to give that to you today. I hope you guys have a great day. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button, hit all, and share it out to friends if you would like. I would so greatly appreciate it. It would help me so much. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.